Crack open the Photoshop toolbox, friends, because today on Life with MKF, we're mastering the art of dynamic motion. Start by setting up your canvas. Open a new file, select the dimensions that fit your project, and you're ready to roll. Next, import the image you want to infuse with motion. For this demo, we're working with a stunning train picture. Now, duplicate that layer. This keeps the original image safe and sound. With your duplicate layer, select your preferred tool and highlight the subject of your image. The Quick Selection tool is a great choice for ease and precision. Once you've got your subject selected, it's time to add a layer mask. This step isolates the subject, priming it for the motion effect. Then select the original layer and navigate to the Filter menu. Choose Blur, then Radial Blur. Set the amount, the blur method to zoom, and the quality to best. Click OK, and voila! You've added dynamic motion to your image. That's all there is to it. With a little radial blur, you've given your image a sense of speed and movement, upping its visual impact. If this tutorial was helpful, show some love with a like, a subscribe, and a ring of that notification bell. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy creating.